I'd like to provide an update on our team's initiative to deliver a solution to perform maintenance cost budgeting. The challenge we presently face is there is no offering that efficiently allows finance and asset management teams to collaborate during the budgeting exercise and to arrive at a mutually agreed maintenance budget in a timely and repeatable way. Moreover, the iterative process to accommodate top-down budget constraints requires a highly automated and accurate way to roll up the revised costs once the changes in the maintenance plan has been made. The solution outlined here evolved from major customer engagements across diverse industries. The approach first levers the prevailing capabilities of IBP MRO to compile costs arising from planned and unplanned maintenance and includes asset capital improvement projects. These costs are typically aligned to attributes that describe maintenance relevant objects, such as functional location, maintenance type, including corrective and preventative maintenance, service parts, and resource capacity. For maintenance cost budgeting, IBP MRO will now include attributes that allows these costs to be realigned so that financial planners can view them in a meaningful way. These additional attributes will include cost center, cost element group, work breakdown structure, GL account, and asset class, to name a few. These newly realigned costs are integrated to SAP Analytics Cloud, or SAC, and will be combined with other planned expenses for developing the budget for the whole enterprise. Maintenance will comprise only part of these costs. Financial planners will perform their what-if budget planning in SAC and identify areas where cost constraints are needed. SAC receives details of indirect costs associated with maintenance from other sources to complete the picture. It will also include planned costs from value-only projects. SAC will serve as a system where conventional top-down budgeting can be carried out. This is for companies using previous year's budget as a starting point. Financial planners then release budgetary constraints from SAC and send them back to IBP MRO so that maintenance planners can develop ways to accommodate them. They do this by changing the maintenance plan in IBP using what-if scenario planning so that the revised costs can be rolled up and sent to SAC so they can be reviewed again by financial planners. This might require several iterations before a mutually agreed budget is developed. Importantly, this whole process is facilitated by an efficient, repeatable methodology that is fully integrated. The changes that were made in IBP MRO are then realigned to the ERP maintenance plan so that operations will execute to plan. During the year, actual costs are captured by work orders and project work breakdown structures so they can be compared to the budget in SAC. The periodic year-to-go adjustment of the budget is facilitated by the same process outlined here. So in summary, the business benefits are to deliver an efficient, streamlined and standardised way to arrive at a maintenance cost budget through enhanced collaboration between finance and asset management teams. We are excited about our roadmap initiative and hope to deliver it in 2025.